Hi everyone. Today we are presenting our model to monitor blood glucose levels based on chemical engineering principles. The objective of our model is to create a mathematical model to simulate the intricate interplay between glucose, insulin, and the liver, providing insights into blood glucose regulation dynamics. The model can be used to test how the system would react under different conditions. How do meal size, composition, and timing affect blood glucose and insulin responses? And what happens in different types of diabetes where insulin secretion or response is impaired? Now let's look at glucose journey. We can imagine glucose as tiny sugar packets. When we eat, these packets go into our digestive system. Then the glucose packets gradually move into our bloodstream. Now, our body cells need glucose for energy, in which insulin plays a key role. It helps cells grab sugar packets off the blood. Sometimes there's too much sugar in the blood, which is gotten rid of by our kidneys. Talking about insulin's role, our body constantly checks how much sugar is in the blood. If blood sugar gets too high, special cells release insulin, like sending out delivery trucks. Insulin travels around, helping cells take in sugar, lowering blood sugar levels. If blood sugar gets too low, our liver acts as a storage warehouse. It releases some stored sugar back into the bloodstream. Our body likes to keep things balanced, including blood sugar. This is called homeostasis. This model shows how different parts of our body work together to do this. Now, let's look at mathematical aspect of the model. The variables involved are digestive tract denoted by D, bloodstream denoted by G, and insulin denoted by I. The first equation that is being used in the model is
Glucose absorption. This equation describes how glucose is absorbed from the digestive tract into the bloodstream. It uses Michaelis Mentis kinetics. One can view the meaning of different terms being used in the equation. The next equation is blood glucose dynamics. This equation captures the various factors affecting blood glucose concentration denoted by G. We can see that the higher blood sugar and insulin leads to more sugar being used. Also, one thing to note over here is that the rate of glucose removal term by the kidneys only becomes active when blood sugar exceeds the renal threshold. The third equation that we are using in the model relates to insulin dynamics. This equation models how insulin concentration changes. This equation uses the Hill equation to represent the cooperative response of the pancreatic cells to glucose levels. The fourth equation is liver glucose production. It explains the liver's role in regulating blood sugar. When blood sugar drops below basal glucose levels, the liver releases glucose to counteract hypoglycemia. Here are different parameters and the corresponding values that is being used in the MATLAB code. Now let's look at the model in the MATLAB. We can see that the simulation is being done for 24 hours and the initial parameters are given below with their values. The initial condition is also given over here for D, G and I. There are different equations that is being used and for the solver we are using three methods: Euler's method, Runge-Kutta 2 and Runge-Kutta 4, with the preference being given to Runge-Kutta 4 due to its superior accuracy and stability. We can look at the result plot on the right side of the screen. As you can see, there are three plots corresponding to each method for D, G and I with varying time over the day, and Runge-Kutta 4 seems to be giving the best plot for each one. This is the code for the Runge-Kutta 4th order method for each D, G and I. This part represents the Euler's method and this is the Runge-Kutta second order. Here is the code for the plot, for the first plot, second plot and the third plot representing insulin and glucose levels. And at last, in summary, our comprehensive glucose insulin model provides a versatile tool for understanding and optimizing blood sugar regulation, paving the way for improved management of diabetes and related metabolic conditions. Thank you.